To edit a docs template, go to the Docs tab and open the Edit option from the template card. Docs relies on different kinds of AI instructions to populate your letter, which are outlined along the right side information panel. These include placeholders that pull through information from your notes, for example, a patient's name or their history, word-for-word language, which specifies exactly how you want information to be written. This is very powerful for making sure that your letter outputs exactly what you want it to. You can also include guidance for the AI. This could be around the presentation of information. For example, if you want it presented as a list or conditional instructions, such as to only show information if certain conditions are met. These different types of instructions can be used in combination. Here's one example of this. If a patient has porcelain veneers planned, we have told the AI to include specific information about porcelain veneers, including the preparation in fit, longevity, risks, the tooth preparation, and the maintenance. We've also included an image explaining what porcelain veneers are. The rest of the letter covers other potentially planned treatments. If multiple treatments are suggested or discussed in the notes, they will be included in your docs. Remember that everything in your docs template is completely customizable, and our team are available to help you with this. Please feel free to get in touch if you have any questions or would like any help getting started. We're always happy to help.